Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am doing mini twists. Yay! Come on somebody. I know, like, you guys have been asking me to do this video, so I am going to do it today. So I went ahead and stretched my hair. I just blow dried it last night after I washed and conditioned it. I did like a light blow dry, nothing too crazy. And then I just put it in these braids so that it'll stay stretched out. But okay, so these mini twists, I'm trying to do like mini twists for real. I've watched some tutorials and the size of the twist that people are doing are like the size that I would do for a regular twist out. And I'm like, these ain't the mini twists that I was looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what works for me. And also, since my hair is a little bit shorter, I think it'll work the best if my twists are smaller. And I feel like I say this all the time, but I just want this to be a look. We're looking for a look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. The product that I'm using today is the Miche Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. This might end up being a voiceover, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to come in as much as I can. But yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take these out and comb through my hair, and then I'm gonna put my hair in 4 sections like I normally do. Bro, the shape of my hair is giving me vibes. The vibes. Moving on. All right, so let's do 4 sections. I say this all the time that they don't have to be perfect, but at least do your best on these joints here, because your parts will be showing a lot more in mini twists than they do with like any other style that I say, oh, your parts don't matter too much. Like with this style, your parts matter a little bit more, but again, still they don't have to be perfect, but try to do your best on these parts. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this back section back here. I'm just gonna run through it one more time with my comb. Make sure it's nice and detangled. Like I said, I'm going to be doing my sections pretty small. At least I think I am right now. But I'm just gonna start with the section in the back. All right, so I'm gonna start with this back section back here and do a little part right here. So this piece very well might be a practice piece, because this might be too small or too big, I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna give it a try. Now since my hair is blow dried, I'm gonna try not to use too much product because I don't want my hair to revert back, which causes more shrinkage. Don't want no tiny little twists, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of product. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do a regular 2-strand twist. And I'm gonna put a little extra product on the end so that my hair kind of sticks together and it won't unravel. And here we have a nice healthy size twist. I think I like this size. Yep. This size is a winner. Okay. This is gonna take a long time, isn't it? Okay, I like it. And a little 2-strand twisty twist. This one's a little small, but we're gonna work with it. All right, so you guys get the picture. That's basically what I'm going to do throughout the entirety of my head. Yeah, let's just keep it going. All right, you guys, I have a few in the vault, a few done so far, and after further review, I think I started doing them smaller than I did in the beginning. In the beginning, they were a bit thicker, and then I started doing them this size. I already know taking them out is gonna take so long, but I just feel like the smaller look just looks better. Like, this is a protective style. I'm gonna want these in for a while, and I just think they look cuter smaller. But one thing I have changed so far is the only part I'm doing with the comb is the part across from here to here. The other ones, I can't be bothered. I'm just doing it with my finger, especially since the parts are so small now. No one's really gonna be like, let let me see your part. Like, no one's gonna look that close. So yeah, I just use my fingernail to part because nobody has time for that. And I really am still trying to figure out like the perfect size section. They're all different sizes so far. I'm not doing a very good job at keeping the sizes consistent. So I'm just gonna keep twisting. I really wish I figured out what time I started these twists. I think it's been, I have no idea, maybe 35 minutes. We'll just say 40 to call it safe. See, it looks so skinny now, but eventually it'll start to swell up and like be this size. This is really small. I don't know, I feel like that size is so small, but it works for me. You definitely do not have to do yours this small. I may be overdoing it a little bit, but I really like the way it looks when it's smaller. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna finish this back section completely off camera, and I think the front sections will be a lot faster to do. So just giving you guys a little update on where we're at here. Twists moving, okay? They moving. Come, hello. We have movement, we have action. Might throw some, little gold clips on there if I'm feeling real spicy towards the end of this video. But yes, so far, love this for me. All right, let's finish this side. I'm gonna time it. Now that I'm not recording, I'm gonna time it. So I'm starting at 1:45, this back section here, and let's see how fast I can do it. So yeah, it took me 1 hour and 10 minutes to do the second half of the back section. So in total, it took me like 2.5 hours to do the back section by itself. All right, y'all, I am back and I'm gonna start on this front section here. I really think the front section is going to be a lot quicker than the back section. Fingers crossed. I really love the small look. The small look is cute. It's just taking so much longer, but I'm committed. I already started and I'm gonna finish strong. Detangle the section, add my twisting cream. Especially to the ends, because the ends are the driest part. And then just take little pieces. That's probably too small. And begin twisting.
I'll run away with your footsteps. I'll build a city that dreams for two. And if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll build a city that dreams for two. And if you lose yourself, I will find you.
Wow, that took so long, but I think it's definitely worth it. Why did it take me so long to do this? Like, I mean, like, why did it take me so long to attempt to do this and so long to actually do it? Wow. Oh, wow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Catch me. I am so close to the camera. Oh my gosh. Girl, you was fine. Ain't it though? With the two little twists in the front and then the... Oh, y'all done created a monster. Wow, I can't believe I did them so small. Now, this is what you call a mini twist. These are mini twists, okay? Ain't none of that medium stuff that people be doing. Yeah, I know it takes a lot longer, but this is what I like to see. Wow, this is such a good protective style. Unfortunately, I probably only keep it in for a week and a half or 2 weeks because I have to make videos. But this is so cute. I'ma cry. And here is the back. So the ending of this video was really drawn out, so I'm just gonna record it in a voiceover. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm loving this hairstyle. Hope you guys like it too. I plan on doing a hairstyle video with the twist, but you know how my life is set up, we just never know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.